In this video, we are going to see about the first trade which I have taken in my funding PIP phase 2. So recently I have cleared my phase 1 challenge. Now we are in phase 2 challenge. So I am open to you guys. I'm showing my live PNL in this video. So today I have made $86. So which is US100 and I see the chart in MNQ and I take the trade in US100. Why? Because the data of US100 in capital.com, it should be a little bit manipulation. So to avoid the manipulation, I'll be taking trade in the MNQ chart. I use MNQ chart for my analysis and I'll be taking my order in my mobile phone. So this is the breakdown we are going to see in this video, how I have taken this trade. So let me go to that. So I am expecting this is the swing low. The market should take after 9:30 open. So the low has been taken. This is the FVG which is in 15 minutes. So I am expecting this FVG should hold the price. The same thing happened here. After reacting here, this is the 9:30 candle which shows huge bullishness and I ended here in 9:31 candle. Why? Because I am expecting the entry in here. Why? Because the market is showing bullishness. Why? Because here is the LL high resistance liquidity run. So if market ends here, going to take like this. So I'm expecting this market today. So what happened market? Literally what happened here? So this entry I have taken in this area. After seeing this bullish candle, I'm happy that market is going to. I'm expecting bullish bias. So because sell liquidity below high time PDRA, this inversion FEG I entered in here and I targeted above the size. So everything I planned and it happened rightly. So little bit you can see here. This is the little bit not a price action of NQ. We are seeing nowadays the price action of NQ like consolidating in same area, right? So I'm expecting this price to hike up immediately, but it happened in one candle. So it's happy to. So I'm not holding it. The market and high. But I closed here. I keep my TP here. It's enough for me. I'm not okay. I miss it. I'm not feeling for that. It's enough for me. Making nearly about 1.7 percentage. It's enough for me. It's enough. It's enough, guys, for me per day. So I know no need to force myself. It's 1:8, 1:08. It's nearly about 1:2, but I closed in 1:08. It's enough for me. So you can see the symbol trade which I have taken, which I have closed in 12 minutes. I think so. You can see here 12 minutes. Very good trade, and it is a simple breakdown. If you have doubt in this breakdown, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you, guys. Bye, traders. Bye.